How to get YouTube Premium for free. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the YouTube application in your mobile device. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now, tap on your profile icon from your bottom right corner. Then tap on the settings icon from the top right corner. Here, search for an option that says purchases and membership, then tap on it. Once you land in this page, it says first month free. So from there, tap on this link provided that says learn more. Once you get in this interface, it says 1 month trial for $0, then $4.79 per month, which you can cancel anytime. If you use a VPN and then try to connect to different countries, this price range may vary. So you can try that as well. But you can use YouTube Premium free for 1 month for $0, or you can simply buy an individual or student plan where you can have different offer or discount. Here, simply tap on try 1 month for $0 button. After that, you have to add your payment method to your account. Tap on add credit or debit card. Now enter your card details and then you have added your payment method. And here, once you have crossed the 1 month of your free trial, then your amount will be deducted from your card. But if you don't want to do that, you can cancel the subscription anytime. So you can simply remember the date that you have added the premium subscriptions, and before that you can cancel your premium subscription. Your premium subscription will be cancelled in your account and you don't have to pay any. So this is the only way to get YouTube Premium for free, and that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.